Hi, good morning. Yeah, this is an intro for my video last night. We have a dinner at Shakespeare. So just watch. See you then. We are at Shakespeare restaurant and we're in the family room. This is their menu and we'll try to see it. Yeah, this is their starter or breakfast something, and yeah, they got their favorite. My favorite here is the salads. Maybe next page. These are my favorite salad. They got some Italian food, spaghetti bolognese, and some pastas. And these are the main course with rice. And their juice, smoothies, and yeah, they have a nice drinks. I don't know, I cannot. And cakes for dessert. And these are the lots of choices in the menu. This is my son. He doesn't want to talk. And this one is a love potion smoothie and mango juice, fresh lime mango juice. This is fried calamaris. Just love it. And their complimentary bread.
Balik na ato na si Red sa inyo.
This is the starter, lettuce with chicken and sauce. This is soup, mushroom soup I think, lentil soup, spaghetti bolognese, spaghetti with white sauce and seafoods. This is miso salad, my favorite. This is what I got. Healthy and pretty. I love those artichokes on top. And this is my husband's food, beef and something like potato. These are the jars of cookies and the cakes, cupcakes, cupcake size, slice of cakes, this one chocolate, a tray of chocolates and boxes of chocolates for gift. Like you can use this for if you got some friends that has a birthday, you can give this to them like a simple gift. These are their cakes. I love their cakes. Delicious cakes. Again, bunch of chocolates, pretty chocolates, pretty and tasty. That lampshade I love their lampshades. These are macarons. I don't know the name of that. Macarons in the fridge. And chocolates again. Nice pack chocolate. Yeah. Chocolates again. They have plenty of pretty chocolates wrapped in a nice wrapper. And George. These are their designs. Look at that. It's like a classic medieval style. I'm not sure of medieval style. Victorian style, like during Shakespeare's time. Like they copy the style. Well, those lampshades, so pretty. It's like you're not in 29th century. Yeah, Shakespeare and love those. And I have mochi, George's favorite. We just been in Shakespeare, that side, but that's of people, so I can't take video. And we've been to mochi, we're at the side of the mochi. See, we're having it. So yeah, nice food trip today. See you then. This is the mochi. They have different flavor of ice cream. You can sit there and have some sauce. We just been to Alain Mall at Shakespeare.
Yeah.
Have a dinner. And yeah, we're going home. So, bye. George, bye.
Bye.
Please watch.
Subscribe, leave a like, and click the bell.
The button. Bye bye.